Welcome to Europe, a continent of rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cultures. From the snow capped Alps to the Mediterranean coast, Europe is a treasure trove of art, architecture, cuisine, and adventure. Explore the birthplace of Western civilization, the ancient ruins, medieval castles, and world class museums. Visit Paris, Rome, Barcelona, and other iconic cities, each with its own unique charm and character. From the majestic Alps to picturesque countryside, Europe's landscapes are breathtakingly beautiful. Hike, ski, or simply soak up the atmosphere in some of the world's most stunning scenery. Experience the vibrant cultures of Europe with its rich traditions, festivals, and cuisine. Savor the flavors of Italy, Spain, France, and beyond, and enjoy the continent's legendary hospitality. Europe, a continent of wonder, a land of discovery, and a journey of a lifetime. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.